You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. There's going to be different pronunciations. That's originally a Italian word, right? Meaning quick or fast. In Italian, the pronunciation is as veloce, veloce. Alright, now in English, it is sometimes pronounced, if it refers to an English word, it would be veloce, veloce. In French, it is said veloce, veloce. But in most cases, veloce, veloce, or English pronunciation, veloce. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.